This question is to evaluate the integral from 0 to pi plus 2i cosine half z dz. So just like the example in the previous video, we just need to find the antiderivative of cosine half z, and then we just substitute using the integral limits, and then we do the math. So first, the antiderivative of cosine half z in this question. It's 2 times sine half z. So our integral function becomes 2 times sine half z from 0 to pi plus 2i. Substitute, we have 2 times sine pi plus 2i over 2 minus 2 times sine 0 over 2. And we know sine 0 is 0. And we can also expand our first term sine pi plus 2i over 2 into sine cosine plus cosine sine form. So it can be expanded into 2 times sine half pi cosine I plus 2 times cosine half pi sine I. And we also know sine half pi is 1. Cosine half pi is 0. So our equation becomes 2 times cosine I. And I'm sure you also know this equation, cosine z equals e to the power of iz plus e to the power of minus iz over 2. If we substitute the z using I, so cosine I becomes e to the power of minus 1 plus e over 2. So we just put this equation back to our equation. It becomes 2 times e to the power of minus 1 plus e over 2. And this is our final result, which is e plus 1 over e.